Hey, 591, this is Dr. Caldwell, and I wanted to just give you a quick introduction to our course. Realize up here our dates are, we start the 13th of June and we go to August the 4th. So it's about 8 weeks. Actually, it's about 7.5 weeks. So just kind of keep that in mind. Our last week will be a little bit short. If when you come into our classroom, just click on announcements and it'll take you to the announcement of the week. Usually I'll post something every week to let you know what's going on. You'll see the announcements there. If you click on syllabus and links, you will see a link to our syllabus here. Um, just taking a look at it, the best way to reach me when I'm going to be holding office hours. You can call this number, but it'll leave a message. But if you send me an email, I check it many times a day. This will be our YouTube link. This is our textbook. Read through the syllabus. Let me know if you have any questions. This is all standard language, but when you come down here, you'll see our different weekly modules. I'm working on this now, so it could change, but you'll see just briefly what your tasks will be each week, and here's a breakdown of the assignments and the points. So it's just a good resource for you, how everything is calculated and graded and so on, course policies, attendance, and all of that. This is an online course, and so you will be expected to participate each week. You will be completing a timeline project. This is the link to the timeline project. You will add slides. You'll have full control to add slides here. I am combining it with my 202 class, which is a small class. There's like 4 students. And so just to make it a bigger and better timeline, you can go in and reserve your slide and put like your name and your topic, but you have to put them in chronological order. If not, you will lose points. So if Sarah comes in and puts a date here, and then you put another date here, you must put it in the right order and move the slides around according to your timeline and what you choose. It is first come, first serve. You can only choose one topic. No one else can copy the topic. So if you choose like Brown versus Board of Education, put your name on it, put Brown versus Board, put the year, and stick it in the right spot. And you will have to come back and check and make sure you rotate them into the right spot as needed. If not, you'll lose points. You will also be doing for your final exam a book or movie review, and so you will need to click on here to find the sign-up sheet and put your name. You can see some have already put what they're doing. Movies, looks like they're doing movies so far. So after you do that, here's my instructor contact information. I'll need to update that for you, but it'll be right there. And then course modules is the next place, and you will see I am working on modules. They will keep being updated. Right now you can only see one, but I'll keep updating them. You should see the second one pretty soon. And everything you need will be here. I have it broken down, and then all of the links for you to click on to turn in your assignments for week 1. So anyway, that's our class in a nutshell. We can set up a Zoom anytime. You just let me know and feel free to reach out if you're having any questions. I let you pretty much go and do your work, and I don't bother you that much. I just grade everything and check in with you. But again, this is an online class, so you need to let me know if you're having any issues. Looking forward to our summer together. 591, here we go.